How to know who screenshot your Snapchat story. Snapchat does not secretly hide this, it clearly shows you if someone took a screenshot of your story. Here's how you can check it. Firstly, open Snapchat app on your device. Now click on the profile icon at the top left corner. Now in your profile section, if you scroll down, then you will see a stories section. Under stories section, if you have any stories, you will see it right here. Just to show you guys, I have posted a new story. Click on the story and at the bottom, you could see the views. The eye icon is the view icon. If anyone screenshotted your story, then you will see a camera icon next to their name. So go through your views on your Snapchat story, and if you see that camera icon, that means that someone has screenshotted your story. You cannot see which exact snap in a multi-snap story was screenshotted. If you delete the story, you also remove the screenshot info. And also, if someone uses another phone to record your story, Snapchat cannot detect that. Additionally, also check for any kind of updates that may be available on Snapchat. Open App Store or Play Store on your device and look for Snapchat. If you see an update option, then update the app. That's all for today. Thank you.